Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to unmute our Samsung Galaxy S22, where to find this option, and that's it. So we have our phone muted completely, no sounds, no vibrations. How to turn off this mode, how to return sounds and vibration. The fastest way to do it should be right here at the top. We have our shortcut. So if we tap it once, we have sound and everything. Tap it twice, we have vibration only, and now our mute is back on. But we wanted to turn off mute options, so sound and all is now active. If this option is not there for whatever reason, we have to go to settings, sounds and vibration, and here we have at the top the same options: vibrate only, sound and everything, what is set up here. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.